Welcome to Mastering Power BI, Data Analysis and Visualization. If you are ready to turn data into powerful insights, this course is your key to success. Here is what you will achieve. So first objective of this course is to gain a comprehensive understanding of Power BI and its core components. Next is learn how to transform and model data effectively using Power Query and advanced modeling techniques. Develop the ability to create dynamic, interactive visualizations that tell compelling data stories. Master DAX to unlock complex calculation, deeper analysis. Explore the Power BI service to share, collaborate, and scale your solutions across teams. And understand how to integrate Power BI with Azure to handle real-time large-scale data seamlessly. You will walk away with the expertise to take on real-world data challenges and present your findings in visually impactful ways. This course is designed for anyone serious about mastering Power BI. Whether you are just starting or want to take your skills to the next level, this course is packed with hands-on training. You will begin by getting familiar with the Power BI environment and quickly dive into data transformation and modeling techniques, building strong foundations that will carry you through the complex analytics projects. You will also learn how to design stunning interactive dashboards that turn raw data into actionable insights, empowering you to make informed decisions faster. And we won't stop there. DAX formulas will be your secret weapon for unlocking the potential for your data. Plus, we will show you how to use the Power BI service for sharing and collaboration across the teams and integrate it with Azure to superchange your data workflows. By the end of this course, you will have all the skills you need to be the Power BI expert, ready to tackle any analysis and reporting challenges. Who is this course for? Whether you are a business analyst, you're looking to enhance reporting and decision making, data analyst who is aiming to work smarter with large data sets, data scientist who need to turn complex data into an accessible visuals, or an IT professional managing business intelligence and cloud solutions. This course is designed with you in mind. No matter your background, we will guide you step by step to transform your data skills. You don't need to be an expert to start this course. All you need is a basic understanding of data, some fundamental Excel skills, and most importantly, a passion for data analysis and curiosity to learn new things. If you're ready to dive deep and excited about turning data into insights, then you are in the right place. So here is a sneak peek at the learning journey you will embark on. So lesson 1 is Introduction to Power BI. Lesson 2, the data transformation and modeling. Lesson 3 is creating visualization, and lesson 4 DAX calculations. Lesson 5, what is Power BI service, and finally lesson 6, Power BI integration with Azure. Each lesson is packed with real world examples and hands-on exercises that help you apply what you have learned immediately. To summarize, in this video we have discussed about the detailed course objectives, course descriptions based on the objectives, who are the course target audience, prerequisites for taking up this course, and what are the lessons we will be covering under this course, and what are the practices in the course we do in the activities. So are you ready to master Power BI and unlock the potential for your data? Join our course, Mastering Power BI, Data Analysis and Visualization, and take your analytics skills to the next level. Together, we will turn you into a Power BI expert capable to transforming raw data into compelling insights that drive success. Enroll today and let's start building your data future. Thank you.